Fabletics VIP membership. Is it worth it? The Fabletics VIP membership offers a subscription based model designed to provide significant savings and exclusive perks for activewear enthusiasts. So, here is in depth look at how it works and whether it is good fit for you. So, the monthly fee and member credit cost is almost around $59.95 a month, charged on the 6th of each month. Each payment grants you one member credit redeemable for any item, outfit, or bundle valued up to $100, and also unused credit expire after 12 months. Now, another thing of VIP perk is you can enjoy discounts about 20 to 50% off retail prices on any items, early access to new arrivals, limited edition collections, and celebrity collaborations, and also your free shipping on orders over $49.95. So basically, the Fabletics VIP membership is worthwhile if you regularly purchase activewear and want to save money, appreciate early access to new collections and exclusive deals, are diligent about managing your subscription, including skipping months when necessary. However, if you prefer to shop infrequently or are concerned about managing monthly commitments, the membership may not be the best fit. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.